And Brendo, give us a fishing report, mate.
Well, it's been pretty fair, I guess. Sound, I'd go sound. 3 bluefin, what do you call them? Blue salmon, just blue salmon. And 1 Barra, probably bang on 55, I'd say. And tide is definitely running out. It's a pretty decent tide from what I'm encountering. Oh mate, looks like he's actually zooming across mud over there. He must be proper in that gutter. I hit there, missed there. Gutter's not producing right now. Maybe on the lower tide we might get a bit more action. There's definitely stuff up in the shallows smashing shit up. Other than that, I'm having a quiet beer, contemplating my life and thinking it's pretty good at the moment. Where else would I rather be? You know, I've got my mate Ron here. He loves me. I think he said, "Oh my God, Brendan, you're the son I never had." But we won't go back into that later on. We won't go back into that. So just sitting here, just having a jig, just getting that lure working. Dig. Other than that, just waiting. Everything's waiting.
Brendo's on his first Barra for the day. Buzz and bloody Brendan hooks it.
Oh, well done, Brendan. Right.
About time Brendan gets that bloody net out in time. Soup.
You don't know what you've got till it's gone.
3 Barra on. How many?
Glorious
How many you got with you?
glorious feeling,
How many rod drop?
glorious feeling, glorious feeling, glorious feeling, glorious feeling, glorious feeling, glorious feeling.
She's full, mate. She's fucking full. Don't you worry about that cup. She's fucking full, isn't it? Hey! Happy days. You work the pole, yeah. You work the pole, oh you're so motherfucking good on the pole. Right on.
And a fishing update with BG.
Drop 2 between 50 and 65, I'd say. just about the bottom of the tide, but pouring again in about 45. On the bottom a little bit, but not too bad. So after this trial, I reckon we go at the front and probably pass where the incoming. Wait for the water to flush in. What do you reckon, Ron?
I reckon I'll be
So that's it. Probably catch another 50 through here. Another rat. Take it from there.
That's all, folks.